I don't want to get the bubble juice on the clothes. Fuck. My favorite tattoo at the moment is this one. My friend did it on me, but it's a porn star that I met over in Germany. And this is her favorite sex scene. Most of my tattoos are about me and my sister, just because I love her a lot.
Oh, the muse, to be honest, I feel like that was just like a stupid tattoo. I kind of want to like get like A and put A in front of it, so it's like amuse or amusement, like change it a little bit. But like, yeah, I got it when I was younger and I feel like I was a little bit like conceited or something. But now I'm like, you know what? It is what it is. But my favorite tattoo, I got it last year. I got like a house on the side of my ribs and it's like wobbly, but it's not broken. So I'm like, well, that's kind of cute.
I know, I love it. Like my mom was so beautiful about all my tattoos. And then when I got prize pig, she was like, what have you done to my child? Like, what have you done to my baby? And I was like, and I had like full, like all my other tattoos before this one. And she was like,
What was your first tattoo?
It's covered up under my sunburn.
What was it?
Ouch. An
Oh,
evil
that
eye. Favorite tattoo is maybe Ned on my ass, but that's explicit.
You have to take that.